Unusual or persistent odors. A strange or lingering smell might seem minor, but it can be a sign of major problems in a home. Mold, mildew, or poor ventilation are often behind that musty smell. These issues can indicate water damage, leaks, or even hidden health hazards like black mold, which can be costly and time-consuming to resolve. You might also encounter strong chemical smells, which could suggest recent attempts to mask odors from a bigger problem, such as pest infestations or sewage issues. Odors aren't just a nuisance, they're a clue. A persistent musty smell in the basement could mean a foundation leak, while a sewer-like odor may indicate plumbing issues or a compromised septic system. Either scenario could lead to extensive repairs. These problems might not be immediately visible, but they'll certainly make themselves known once you've moved in. When touring a home, trust your nose and don't hesitate to ask questions. Sellers may not always disclose these issues unless directly asked. If you're still interested in the property, an expert inspection can confirm whether the smell is a quick fix or a costly repair waiting to happen. Don't overlook the importance of clean air. Investing in a home with unresolved odor problems can turn your living space into a financial and health burden. Taking the time to investigate these smells now can save you significant headaches down the road.